I have a Polaris 995 and I keep getting an error 10 a little after pushing the start button. I took into my service store and they ran a complete check on the control system as well as the robot, finding no problems. They mentioned it might be the filter in the robot, so I replaced that with a new one. When I put the unit back into the pool, it once again showed an error 10. I turned off the unit, unplugged the cord and plugged it back in, pushed the start button and then once again the error 10. Any additional ideas?
Who manufactured the pool?
It's an inground pool by Bluehaven.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on the technical knowledge needed.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
This is a communication message that the Polaris unit and the control box are not communicating. If the connector pins are not compromised, then it is internal in the electronics of the control box. You probably will need to replace it, but Polaris number is call in case there is a warranty on the unit. Turn cleaner power off, then back on to restart the program. You've done this already, so check connection of the floating cable on the control box. Check the connector pins in the power cable for corrosion or a bent pin. If problem is not resolved through troubleshooting, contact Polaris Technical Support at USA 1-.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.